Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by centering attention. Pause, breathe, and let the speaker finish so you can hear intent. Once done, jot 3 specifics: one praise, one problem, one example to avoid vague replies. Make sure to ask a clarifying question that proves you listened. This prevents assumptions. You say something like, "Help me understand which part you mean." This immediately shifts the exchange from defensive to constructive and prepares you to respond with targeted, practical adjustment. You paraphrase the core point in one clear sentence to confirm you understood. This avoids miscommunication. Then, acknowledge any accurate critique and own it. Say which element you'll change and why. Once done, describe a concrete next step and time frame so the other person knows you're serious. Make sure to ask whether they prioritize speed or depth. That choice changes your approach. This balance builds credibility and converts feedback into an actionable plan. You close by summarizing the agreed actions and the timeline so everyone has the same expectations. Then, set a brief follow-up, 1 week or a specific milestone, to review progress and adjust. If things go wrong or they push back, ask for a concrete example and propose a small trial change. This reduces risk and shows flexibility. Make sure to thank them for the input and confirm the next check-in date so the loop stays closed and productive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.